Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 81. Which sentence uses the simple present tense to describe a general truth? A. Birds fly. B. Birds are flying. C. Birds flew. D. Birds will fly. Correct answer, birds fly. Question number 82. Which sentence uses the simple past tense to describe a completed action in 1990? A. My parents marry in 1990. B. My parents married in 1990. C. My parents are marrying in 1990. D. My parents have married in 1990. Correct answer, my parents married in 1990. Simple past tense. Question number 83. Which sentence uses the simple future tense to express a future fact? A. The sun rises tomorrow morning. B. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. C. The sun is rising tomorrow morning. D. The sun rose tomorrow morning. Correct answer, the sun will rise tomorrow morning. Simple future tense. Question number 84. Which sentence uses the present perfect tense for an action completed in the past with a current result? A. I lost my keys. Implies they are still lost. B. I lost my keys yesterday. C. I am losing my keys. D. I will lose my keys. Correct answer, I lost my keys. Present perfect tense, implying I still don't have them. Question number 85. Which sentence uses the past continuous tense to describe an action ongoing at a specific past time? A. At 8 p.m., I ate dinner. B. At 8 p.m., I was eating dinner. C. At 8 p.m., I have eaten dinner. D. At 8 p.m., I eat dinner. Correct answer, at 8 p.m., I was eating dinner. Past continuous tense. Question number 86. Which sentence uses the future continuous tense for an action that will be in progress at a given future moment? A. This time next year, I travel around the world. B. This time next year, I will travel around the world. C. This time next year, I will be traveling around the world. D. This time next year, I am traveling around the world. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be traveling around the world. Future continuous tense. Question number 87. Which sentence uses the past perfect tense to describe an action that happened before another past action? A. He already finished his work when I arrived. B. He had already finished his work when I arrived. C. He finishes his work when I arrive. D. He is finishing his work when I arrive. Correct answer, he had already finished his work when I arrived. Past perfect tense. Question number 88. Which sentence uses the future perfect tense to show completion by a future date? A. By 2030, humans land on Mars. B. By 2030, humans will land on Mars. C. By 2030, humans will have landed on Mars. D. By 2030, humans are landing on Mars. Correct answer, by 2030, humans will have landed on Mars. Future perfect tense. Question number 90. Which sentence uses the past perfect continuous tense for an action ongoing up to a past point, causing a past result? A. He felt sick because he ate too much. B. He felt sick because he had been eating too much. C. He feels sick because he eats too much. D. He will feel sick because he will eat too much. Correct answer, he felt sick because he had been eating too much. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 90. Which sentence uses the past perfect continuous tense for an action ongoing up to a past point, causing a past result? A. He felt sick because he ate too much. B. He felt sick because he had been eating too much. C. He feels sick because he eats too much. D. He will feel sick because he will eat too much. Correct answer, he felt sick because he had been eating too much. Past perfect continuous tense. Like, comment and subscribe.